Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a tree infographics like this in just PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have used some transparent disc like effect here as a leaf of this tree, and as a branches I have used brown color over here. So this is looking so attractive and awesome guys. The infographics will look like this. So before start creating it guys, I just want to request you, if you are new on this channel and watching this video for the first time guys, then please do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also share the video with your friends and family so that they can learn to create the beautiful stuffs like this in just PowerPoints, and also can use a free PPT provided by us. Okay. So without wasting any further time guys, let's start creating. So just click on insert option. Here you will find new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide. After choosing a blank slide, you just have to copy this color sample from the previous slide and paste it over on the new slide. Okay. Now we have to create a disk like this. So I'm going to copy. Let me show you which type of element I have used to create an effect like this. So I'm going to ungroup this and I will pick one disk from here and copy it and paste it over here on this slide. Okay, so that we can get a reference and create it over here. Okay, now first we have to create this inner. We have 4 disks over here. Like this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Sorry, we have 3 different types of you can see different type of disk over here we have to create, and after combining this disk we can get a disk like this. Okay, so first of all I'm going to set a background color to this slide. So I'm going to choose a solid fill, and here I'm going to choose eyedropper, and from eyedropper and from this color sample I'm going to choose the third color. Now I will start to create this circle. So to do this, what I'm going to use, I will click on insert option. Here I will choose an oval option, press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward to make a circle like this. Fill it with this color. I'm going to use this color and make it outline something darker, like I'm going to make it something this much. Okay. Now right click over here and choose the format shape option in the bottom. As you choose the format shape option, you will get a format shape pane at the right side of the screen. Now you can choose the line option, and inside the line option you have to select the gradient line option. Okay, and we actually don't want these extra handles, so I'm going to delete this by pressing delete on the keyboard. For the left side I'm going to choose lighter gray color, and for the right side I'm going to choose some darker gray color like this. Okay, now I will duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D and put it over here. Now right click over here, and here you can see inside the fill option you have to select the gradient fill option. For the left handle, what I'm going to use, I will use this color, and for the right handle what I'm going to use, I will use this lighter dark color like this. Okay, or maybe for the left handle I'm going to use white color. For the right handle what I'm going to use, I will use this same color. Okay, so now I have to change the direction, so I'm going to use this direction. And for the outline of this circle, this oval, I am going to select the line option. Actually we have to select the solid line here, and solid line should be white. Now press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward to make it bigger. Just place it over here, right click over here and send it to back. After sending it to back, you will have to place this circle at the center. Now I'm going to duplicate this white circle like this and dragging it outward to make it bigger. Now after making it bigger guys, what I'm going to do, I will use a white color over here for the shape, so I'm going to use a solid fill for the shape, and for the solid fill I'm going to use white color. Now we have to increase the transparency, like I'm going to make it transparent like this much. Okay, this much transparent. Now for the outline I'm going to choose the line option, and inside the line option I'm going to choose the gradient line option over here. Now for the gradient line, what I'm going to use, I will use two color, one the dark gray color and second one is light gray color. So for the dark gray color I'm going to use this color, and for the lighter gray color what I'm going to use, I will use this color. Now make some extra handles over here and fill these handles with the color. So I'm going to provide a dark gray color for this, and the light pink color for this, and the dark gray color for this, and in this way you can see an effect like this will be created. Now right click over the bigger circle and send it to back. After sending it to back, please keep in the circle like this. Okay, so this set of let me format this. I'm going to make it provide some darker color like this. Okay, now it's fine guys. I'm going to select all these shapes together and pressing Ctrl G to make a single group. Now this is not necessary here, so I'm going to delete it by pressing Ctrl D and select this whole shape, whole group, and press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it innerward to make it smaller like this. Okay, now for the branches, what I'm going to do, I will click on insert option. Here you will find the isosceles triangle option, so you have to choose isosceles triangle and drag it like this. After dragging it like this guys, you have to remove the shape outline. So I'm going to remove the shape outline and right click over here and choose a edit point option over here. Just bring this point something here and drag this handle something here, somewhere here. Okay, and so now you have to make some adjustment to make a branch guys. Okay, so now I'm going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and flip it horizontally and put it over here. Now set a color, like I'm going to provide this color or maybe this color. For this shape, what I'm going to use, I will use the lighter version of this color like this one and place all these two shapes something like this. Now select all these shapes and drag it innerward to make it smaller, and after making it smaller you have to put it over here, right? So now put this shape over here and set all this shape center back. Now we will fill the different color with the different circle with the different color. So for this circle I am going to use the red color. So I am going to choose eyedropper and choose a red color from here. Now we are done with the shape guys, so it's time to provide its logo as well as these text. So I am going to copy the logo and text from the previous slide and paste it over here on the new slide. Now we'll put this over here, and after this I will make a duplicate copy of this text and put it over here. But before doing this, I'm going to decrease the size like this. So now you can see I have done with the shape. I have used the same icon over here, but on this slide the different types of icon are available. So if you want to use this, you can definitely use these icons there. So I'm going to copy this text from the previous slide and paste it over here on this slide. Okay. Before doing this, I'm going to make a group of these items and align it in the center. So I'm going to align it in the center. Now for timeline infographics, we don't want these shapes, so I'm going to delete it. So make it ungroup, guys, and delete this upper part. So for the text, detail text, I'm using the Calibri body and 9 is and the size is 9, and for both these, and for the heading I'm using the heading I'm using Calibri body. Okay, for heading I'm using Calibri body and size is 24. So this is how you can create this beautiful infographics of transparent disc like leaf in just PowerPoint, guys. So hope you like the tutorial, you enjoyed the tutorial. Before leaving, guys, I just want to make a request. You can donate us a little amount to make me motivated to create a video like this. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye and thank you very much.